Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide this formula bar in Microsoft Excel, right? So I'm going to show you how you can turn it on or off. Maybe it's off in yours and you don't know how to turn it back on, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. Or maybe it's on and you want to turn it off on your and then you don't know how to. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here, right? So I want us to turn this side formula bar off. As you can see, it's on mine. So what you can do is just come to view right here, and then you want to look on this tab right here. Make sure you unmark this if you want to turn it off. As you can see, you have turned it back off, right? This is your formula bar. But then if it's off and you want to turn it back on, just make sure you mark that, and then as you can see, you have it up here. So that's your formula bar. That's how you can turn it on or off, just here, right? It's really simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.